iPhone 14 Pro Max. The world's been buzzing around the sublime devices introduced by Apple in its iPhone 14 series. How's it going on, everyone? Welcome back to the best place for latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity Technology, and in today's video, we have the exclusive supremacy of iPhone 14 series, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. There's a lot to unpack and talk about, so let's quickly start this up with the major upgradations. Turning the table from A15 Bionic chip to A16 Bionic chipset with 6GB of RAM, a massive camera upgrade of 48 megapixels paired with new photonic engine image processing, and hold on. Before talking more, let's uncrack this magnificent piece of technology from its box. Wow, the gold color just looks astonishing. This little piece right here is not just a notch, it's a dynamic island that will bubble up alerts, notifications, and activities which will smoothly transform itself as needed. It creates an entirely new way to experience the iPhone. Also, a great leap to the display, the LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED screen coming with 120Hz refresh rate and a massive 2000 nits of brightness. Now, no worry about the screen brightness while using it outdoor or in strong sunlight. The always-on display on iPhone 14 Pro Max creates a unique low-powered lock screen that makes go-to information available at just a glance. Comparing with iPhone 13 Pro Max, the camera area has been increased, keeping the corner and the edges the way Apple is known for. I've found a perfect match to complement the new iPhone Pro Max's design and ensure safety from falling or slipping. It's the Alphex covers. This case is specially designed for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The back panel of this case is made with a soft TPU bumper and a flexed matte clear material which can display the color of your bare iPhone's panel and admire the original sublime beauty for iPhone 14 Pro Max. The matte coating on the panel brings you an iPhone-like touch feel and prevents fingerprints and stains from sticking on it. It doesn't cover the design and perfectly displays your new iPhone. This case is certified by SGS Military Standard 810H because this case is built with a double cushion structure which provides 2 times shockproof, including full corners, upgraded invisible flex cushion and reinforced soft buffer TPU bumper which can disperse 98% of the impact force in case of a drop. The tiny design of 2.23mm leaps over camera and 1.5mm bezels over screen. It prevents screen and camera against drop and scratches. Its 0.04-inch ultra slim design allows your phone to fit easily in your pockets and your palms. TPU frame provides an exclusive non-slip design for texting, selfies, and gaming. The faster 6-core GPU handles demanding workloads smoothly and efficiently, along with 50% more memory bandwidth for complex graphics in the latest mobile games. The Alphex covers make it more handy to use it while gaming. Also, this case doesn't affect the normal use of any function. So this was all about the cherry on the cake, which ensures both elegant look and safety for your brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max. I hope you like this video. If so, do hit the like button and do let us know your reviews in the comments down below. This is Enoylity Technology and we will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.